Straightcurve. Pre-curve 4-piece rings, 240mm, 400mm, 560mm. Step-by-step installation. Recommended tools: ground leveling tools and a hammer. Step 1. Place the first two edges in an upright position with the ends touching and with join slots aligned. Step 2. Insert the L-shaped slider through adjacent bottom slot. Step 3. Hammer the wedge in firmly and repeat step 2 for the other slots. Step 4. Attach the next piece and repeat step 2 and 3. Step 5. Complete the circle by adjoining the fourth piece by repeating step 2 and 3 on either side. Step 6. Backfill to finish. For more information, visit straightcurve.com.